The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 10 armed forces of Ukraine command posts near Kupiansk, Kharkov region, Blagodatovka and Belogorovka, Kherson region, Kalinovka and Murachovka, Nikolaev region, Novy Kamar, Krasnogorovka and Drushkovka, Donetsk People's Republic. The provisional basis of the 57th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Kalinindorf, Kherson region, as well as the units of foreign mercenaries and nationalist groups near Konstantinovka, Donetsk People's Republic and Kharkov. 6 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Andreevka and Vishnyovoye, Zaporozhye region, Belokuzminovka, Donetsk People's Republic and Novoalexandrovka, Nikolaev region. Launch of Iskander high-precision operation tactical missile at Voznesensk military airfield has resulted in the elimination of a hangar with Bayraktar TB unmanned aerial vehicles in Nikolaev region. One US-manufactured AN-TPQ-36 counter-battery warfare radar has been destroyed near Murachovka, Nikolaev region. Fighter aviation of Russian aerospace forces has shot down one MiG-29 of Ukrainian Air Force near Novovladimirovka, Nikolaev region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 6 unmanned aerial vehicles near Grakova, Kharkov region, Novochervonne, Lugansk People's Republic, Staromayorskaya, Urozhaine and Kuchayevsk, Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 15 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS multiple launch rocket systems have been destroyed in air near Korobki, Veselaya, Antonovka, Novaya Kakhovka, Tokarevka and Rakovka, Kherson region. One projectile launched by Alha multiple launch rocket system near Novaya Kakhovka and 2 high-speed anti-radar missiles near Antonovka, Kherson region. In total, 313 airplanes and 157 helicopters, 2,151 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,376 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 861 combat vehicles equipped with multiple launch rocket systems, 3,449 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,277 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. Kiev regime continued launching attacks at Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Over the past 24 hours, the armed forces of Ukraine artillery has launched over 43 projectiles in the northern suburb of Energodar and the territory adjacent to the nuclear power plant. The attacks were launched from the armed forces of Ukraine-controlled Marganets Dnipropetrovsk region. Enemy firepower has been neutralized by Russian artillery's counterattack. The radiation environment at the nuclear power plant remains normal.